in this just short amount of time. No, 125 million in 11 days in an implausible, physically impossible manner. Ito ang nakikita nating basehan kung bakit malakas ang ebidensya laban kay Sara Duterte. And kaya nga sa kabataan, in our parlance now, no, ang tingin natin, it's time to impeach the wicked witch of the East. Ayun po. Of the South, sorry.
Sumabit.
Ulitin ko. Okay.
Sumabit pa. Ulit.
Okay, sige. Kaya naman, sa local parlance ng kabataan, kami naniniwala, tumitindig na it's time to impeach the wicked witch of the South. Sige po.
Alright, thank you. Talagang